All right, let's go through your differences between the X3 and the MX5. 6,000 watt, 13,400. Biggest thing for me is that the battery's removable on that one. I do like that feature a lot. And then I'll let Scott take it away. So Scott.
Oh, hi. So the biggest thing I like about this is you can turn the headlight off and on. That's a cool feature. If you want to be stealth-like, it kills all the lights if you're out at night. The shocks on these are quite surprisingly good. The throttle response is instant and very torquey. It's very torquey. I like how wide the bars are. This has regenerative braking, and it's got 4 different modes. The brakes look bigger on this one for sure.
Yeah, different discs, different brakes, different suspension. Yeah. There is less than a $2,000 difference between the two of them, but except with taxes. But you did mention that you like the frame on this one because it's just more solid. So if you kind of look at it from the side, I really like the decals they did on that too, though. Yeah. And this is the red. I like the red in person. They don't look as nice online, but they do here. So regenerative braking, battery's the same. It's a 40 amp lithium. Fast charger, that remains the same. And this is unlimited. Could you imagine this unlimited?
This is limited, yeah. And that's only, I think I hit 40 in here in the parking lot. They'll do probably 80, with someone my size, probably 85.